Today we'll see about a program on timers generating the time delay. The program is the program is to toggle the port 1 bit 5 continuously with 1 second delay. The timer 0 is used in mode 1 to generate the delay. So the port 1 bit 5 is continuously toggled with 1 second delay. So here the crystal frequency assumed is 11.0592 megahertz. So already we have seen in the theory that so if the crystal frequency is given, how to calculate the time delay. By calculating the time delay, so we have obtained that we have initialized the timer register, that is TL0 and TH0, since we are using the timer 0 with the initial value 00. So and also, so to generate a 1 second delay, we have used the or not register. In the or not register, we are loading the value 15 to get a delay of 1 second. Okay. So before writing or starting the timer, the mode value has to be written into the T mode register. So mode setting, you know that. So the upper 4 bits are for timer 1, the lower 4 bits are for timer 0. Since we are using the timer 0, so we should use the lower 4 bits. And within that lower 4 bits, the 2 bits are for mode setting. So since we are using in mode 1, the lower 2 bits are set as 0, 1. So because of which the equivalent value is 0, 1 has to be loaded in the Tmod register. The program is so org0, so initialize the program segment, and in the Tmod register we are moving the value 0, 1. Okay. So the next is complement P1.5. So initially the port 1.5 bit 5 was 1. Now when I say complement, it makes the bit as 0. Okay. So now, so in the R0 register, to get a delay of 1 second, we have moved the 15, and TL0 and TH0 both are initialized with the value of 0, 0. Okay. So set bit TR0. So timer 0 I am using. So I should set the timer run control bit 0 to start the timer. So once the timer is started, we should keep monitoring the T of not bit. So when the T of not bit will be 1. So which means that the timer has overflow. So that is done with the instruction JNB TF not comma back. So once the TF not bit becomes 1, then I'll stop the timer with CLR TR0 instruction, and also I'll clear the timer overflow flag with the instruction CLR TF not, so that we can go for the next cycle. So since I want a larger delay, so we have used the R0 register. So I'll decrement the count in the R0 register until the R0 register is 0. The same cycle is repeated. So the whole this is returned to obtain this program is written to obtain a delay of 1 second. Okay. So now the output was 0. It remains 0 for 1 second. So after that, so I'm having the instruction. After that, I'm having the instruction SJMP again. So the SJMP again instruction, it is an unconditional instruction which gets the control back to the label again. So again here I am having complement P1.5. So now the output was 0. Now it will become 1. It will become 1 for 1 second, and the same cycle is repeated again and again. So the program here is port 1 bit 5. It should be toggled continuously with a 1 second delay. Okay. So we'll see the output. So in the source group, so for the project, already I have created the project. For the project, I'll just remove this file so that I can add the new file. Okay. So for this source group, I'll add the file. So the file is nothing but the program is written in t1.asm. I'll add the t1.asm file. Okay. So now I'll go to build the target. So when I build the target, if any errors are there, it will be displayed. So zero errors. I'll go for starting the debug session. Start the debug session. Okay. So now since you are observing the output on the ports, so here go to the peripherals and go to the IO port. You are observing the output on port 1. Click on the port 1. Okay, so the port 1, it shows the bits. All the bits are clicked, which is nothing but, are ticked, which is nothing but all are high. Okay, so now I'll run the program. Debug, run. Okay, observe the port 1 bit 5, this bit. So it is continuously toggling. So tick indicates 1, no tick indicates a 0. So continuously the port 1 bit 5 is toggled with a delay of 1 second. You can observe the output here. Okay, so this is a program to generate a to toggle the port 1 bit 5 continuously with a 1 second delay. So we can stop the program since we have used the infinite loop like SJMP here. So to terminate the program, I can click on the halt. So now the program gets terminated. So thank you.